Want to watch YouTube videos while checking your emails, scrolling through Instagram, or doing practically anything else on your iPhone? Let's unlock the picture-in-picture feature on your iPhone first. There are two ways you can watch in picture-in-picture mode. You can activate it directly within the YouTube app or through your iPhone's general settings. We'll walk through both options. Method 1 uses the YouTube app. Open the YouTube app and find a video you'd like to watch. Start the video. Tap the full screen mode icon to expand it to the full display. You'll tap the floating window icon. This usually shows up as a small square on the top left corner of the video player. When you tap that icon, your YouTube video will automatically minimize. Now it will float in a corner, and you're free to browse other apps. You can resize this window and move it around on the screen. Now, for option 2, if the picture-in-picture functionality isn't working, first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see General, tap it, and then tap Picture-in-Picture option on the settings page. Be sure the Start Pip automatically toggle is turned on. If it's off, your iPhone will not automatically start the pip when you close the YouTube app. After all of that, the next time you close the YouTube app while a video is playing, it should automatically shrink into a floating window. Now you can enjoy your favorite YouTube content while multitasking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.